The cord is a 2-wire 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top half of the handle cover. Now I have access to the cord clamp, and I'll remove it. The cord wires attach to a terminal block. I'll note the location of the wires, and then loosen the screws that secure them. Then I can pull the wire away from the tool. Now I can install the new cord. I'll thread the wires through the cord guard. Now I'll strip back about 5/16 of insulation from each of the wires. Now I'll secure the cord into place with the cord clamp. I'll lift the switch away from the housing and route the cord wires beneath it. And now I'll reattach the wires. The white wire aligns with the peach and white wire on the terminal block. And the black wire aligns with the two pink wires. Make sure the wires are tucked out of the way, and then I can reinstall the switch. Now I can finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's all it takes to replace the power cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.